These are the tribes. There's like a chapel here. Otek, Tewa, Hupi, Zia, Akoma, Zuni. Welcome to our heritage. Dating Aztec ruins. So these are the dates of the ruins. Building materials. Oh, may bamboo rin sila, no? Hindi wood lang siya. Kaya these are ruins. The great Aztec houses. Ito yung mga bahay nila. Made of bricks. There's a theater here. Oh, there's a film showing. Chaco Legacy. Aztec Complex Culture. National Park Station. Okay, look at the ruins in here. Archaeology. Hands from the clay. These are clay. The beauty of Aztec ruins. So they say this is not made by the Aztec people, but by the Pueblo. Oh, sweet. And there's a shop in here. Okay. This one going inside.